Welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, you'll hear a real-life style conversation between two colleagues discussing a third coworker, Steve, who caused trouble by acting too quickly. You'll learn how to use the phrase jump the gun naturally in daily English, along with many useful office expressions. So, watch till the end and improve your English the natural way. Did you hear what happened in the meeting yesterday because of Steve? Yeah, I was right there. Honestly, he totally jumped the gun with that client proposal. Exactly. We were still collecting data and figuring out the strategy, and he went ahead and emailed the client like everything was finalized. And not just that, he even promised them a delivery timeline we haven't even agreed on internally. I know. The client is now expecting results by next week, and we're nowhere near ready. It's creating chaos for the whole team. If he had just waited for the green light, we wouldn't be in this mess. It's like he wanted to prove something. He always tries to act 2 steps ahead, but sometimes being smart backfires, especially when you don't communicate with the team. You remember last month when he jumped the gun with the budget approvals? Oh, yes. He assumed the finance team had cleared it and told the vendor to begin work. Turned out nothing had been approved. That cost us a ton of back and forth and an awkward apology to the vendor. It's becoming a pattern now. The worst part is, when things go wrong, he just shrugs and says, I thought I was helping. Yeah, but intentions don't matter if you're not in sync with the team. It just creates more problems. I feel like someone needs to sit down with him and explain the impact, or else he'll keep jumping the gun and damaging our credibility. Maybe we should bring it up to the manager during the review meeting. Not to throw him under the bus, but to make sure this behavior stops. True. If he keeps going like this, the entire team will suffer. Deadlines will keep slipping, and stress levels will shoot up. Honestly, if Steve had just waited for the project alignment discussion, this client issue could have been avoided. Sometimes doing things quickly isn't smart. It's just reckless. Timing matters. Totally agree. Let's bring this up carefully, but firmly. We can't afford another slip-up. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.